Under the warm sun, a sprawling green meadow unfolds, bordered by a dense forest. 3 bullocks, one black, one white, and one brown graze together in the tranquil meadow, their unity undisturbed. Sharing grass and shade, they exist in peaceful harmony, oblivious to the danger lurking nearby. At the forest's edge, a powerful lion watches with hungry eyes, its frustration growing with each passing moment. The lion's gaze intensifies, a silent promise of disruption to the meadow's serenity. Beneath the vast canopy, a majestic lion rests, its amber eyes keenly observing a pair of bullocks grazing peacefully. Restlessness takes hold as the lion paces, its muscles tense with thwarted hunger. A flicker of cunning ignites in the lion's eyes. Deception becomes the chosen path as the lion advances toward the black bullock, its movements deliberate and calculated. In the sun-drenched meadow, a majestic lion approaches a black bullock, its breath visible in the air. The lion whispers, "Your friends do not truly like you. They talk about you behind your back." The black bullock glances at its companions, confusion and hurt etched on its face. The black bullock walks away, its posture radiating a profound sense of loneliness. Days later, the brown bullock grazes peacefully at the forest's edge, unaware of the danger lurking nearby. A sudden roar shatters the calm as the lion bursts forth, driving the brown bullock into the dense forest. In another part of the meadow, the white bullock grazes alone, an easy target for the unseen predator. Terror grips the black bullock as it stands alone, the last of its kind, in the now silent and menacing meadow. In the vast meadow, a lone black bullock stands, its silhouette stark against the vibrant green. A predator emerges from the trees, its eyes locked onto its unsuspecting prey, muscles rippling. The lion advances with predatory grace, closing the distance. The black bullock understands the chilling consequences of its isolation. With sudden, devastating speed, the lion lunges, a blur of raw power. The meadow echoes with the black bullock's terrified bellow, a sound of primal fear